HandiBeam is a thoughtfully designed product that stands out for its practicality, convenience, and innovative approach to hands-free lighting. From the first experience using it, it becomes clear that the idea behind HandiBeam is centered around making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. The design allows users to have a focused beam of light exactly where they are looking, which is incredibly helpful for activities that require precision and clear visibility. Instead of struggling with handheld flashlights or bulky headlamps, HandiBeam provides a comfortable and streamlined solution that keeps both hands completely free. This feature alone makes a significant difference for people who often work with tools, perform repairs, or engage in detailed hobbies. Tasks such as fixing electronics, reading small print, assembling parts, or completing DIY projects become much simpler when the lighting naturally follows the user's line of sight. The product feels like a smart and modern solution to a common problem that many people face in low-light environments. Another strong point of HandiBeam is its comfort and ease of use. The device is designed to be lightweight and easy to wear for extended periods without causing discomfort. This makes it suitable not only for short tasks but also for longer projects where consistent lighting is important. The frame is balanced well so it does not feel heavy on the face, which is something that users often appreciate when wearing wearable tools. In addition, the controls are straightforward and simple to understand, allowing users to quickly adjust the brightness or turn the light on and off without any confusion. This simplicity makes the product accessible to people of all ages, even those who prefer tools that do not require complicated instructions. Because of this user-friendly design, HandiBeam feels intuitive and practical from the very beginning, helping users focus on their work instead of learning how to operate the device. The brightness and clarity of the light also contribute to the overall positive experience. The illumination is strong enough to clearly light up small work areas while remaining comfortable for the eyes. This focused lighting helps reduce strain and makes it easier to see fine details when working on delicate tasks. Whether someone is reading instructions, working on crafts, repairing items, or checking small components, the consistent beam of light provides the visibility needed to perform the task accurately. This makes HandiBeam particularly appealing to hobbyists, technicians, mechanics, and anyone who regularly works with small tools or materials. The way the light moves naturally with the user's head and eyes adds another level of convenience, eliminating the need to constantly reposition a separate light source. Portability is another benefit that makes HandiBeam appealing. Because the product is compact and lightweight, it can easily be carried in a bag, toolbox, or drawer without taking up much space. This means it can be kept nearby whenever extra lighting is needed. Whether at home, in a workshop, or even during outdoor activities, having a portable lighting solution like this can be very helpful. People who enjoy camping, nighttime repairs, or working in garages often find that a hands-free light source becomes an essential tool once they start using it regularly. The practicality of being able to simply wear the device and instantly have focused light makes the entire experience feel effortless and efficient. Beyond its basic functionality, HandiBeam also stands out because it improves productivity during everyday tasks. Good lighting can make a dramatic difference in how efficiently a person works, especially when dealing with small details or dim environments. With the light positioned exactly where the user is looking, there is no need to constantly adjust lamps or search for better angles of illumination. This natural alignment between vision and light helps users stay focused on their work and complete tasks more smoothly. For people who regularly perform repairs, crafting, or technical work, this convenience can save both time and effort. The product essentially becomes an extension of the user's natural vision, helping them see clearly and perform tasks with greater accuracy. Durability and reliability are also important aspects that contribute to the positive perception of HandiBeam. The construction feels solid and dependable, which gives users confidence that the product can handle regular use. A tool designed for practical tasks needs to be reliable, and HandiBeam appears to meet that expectation by offering consistent lighting and a stable design. Because the product is built for real-world use, it fits well into environments such as workshops, garages, and home workspaces where dependable tools are necessary. This reliability helps make the device feel like a useful long-term addition rather than a temporary gadget. Another benefit is the versatility of the product. HandiBeam is not limited to one specific activity. Instead, it can be useful in many different situations. Someone might use it while reading in a dim room, repairing household items, working on crafts, assembling equipment, or inspecting objects in darker spaces. This wide range of possible uses adds to the overall value of the product because it can serve multiple purposes in daily life. When a tool can adapt to many different tasks, it becomes more than just a single-purpose device. It becomes something people rely on regularly. This flexibility is one of the reasons why many users appreciate products that offer hands-free functionality combined with bright and focused lighting. In the end, HandiBeam represents a simple yet clever idea executed in a practical and useful way. By combining comfort, portability, and focused illumination, it offers a convenient solution for anyone who needs better visibility while keeping their hands free. The thoughtful design makes everyday tasks easier, while the reliable lighting improves both accuracy and comfort during work. For people who enjoy DIY projects, repairs, hobbies, or any activity that requires clear lighting, HandiBeam can be a valuable tool that enhances the overall experience. The product shows how a well-designed lighting solution can transform ordinary tasks into smoother and more enjoyable activities, making it a helpful addition to many workspaces and households. Another aspect that makes HandiBeam such a valuable tool is the level of independence it provides while performing detailed tasks. Many people do not realize how often they struggle with poor lighting until they begin using a hands-free solution like this. When lighting is always directed exactly where the eyes are focused, even small tasks start to feel easier and more natural. HandiBeam eliminates the frustration of trying to balance a flashlight, reposition a lamp, or hold a light source in one hand while working with the other. This freedom allows users to work with greater precision and confidence. Whether tightening a small screw, examining a component, or working on a hobby project, having steady illumination that moves with your head creates a smoother workflow and reduces interruptions. Over time, this convenience becomes something users truly appreciate because it saves effort and makes tasks feel less complicated. The thoughtful design of HandiBeam also reflects a strong focus on everyday practicality. The product is not overly complicated or filled with unnecessary features. Instead, it focuses on delivering exactly what people need: clear lighting and comfortable wear. This simplicity is actually one of its greatest strengths because it allows the device to remain reliable and easy to use. Users can quickly put it on and start working without needing to spend time setting up equipment or adjusting multiple parts. This quick usability is especially helpful for people who frequently switch between tasks or need lighting for short periods throughout the day. The convenience of simply wearing the device and instantly having bright illumination can make routine work feel more efficient and less frustrating. HandiBeam also supports better focus and accuracy during tasks that require close attention. When working in dim environments, people often strain their eyes or lean closer to see small details clearly. With directed lighting positioned near the user's eyes, objects become easier to see without excessive effort. This can help reduce eye fatigue and make longer work sessions more comfortable. People who enjoy hobbies like crafting, model building, sewing, or small repairs may especially appreciate this benefit. Clear visibility allows them to concentrate on creativity and precision rather than worrying about whether they can see their work properly. Another positive aspect is how adaptable HandiBeam can be in different environments. The product works well in indoor settings such as workshops, garages, and home offices, but it can also be helpful in outdoor situations. For example, it may be useful during evening activities like camping, organizing equipment, or checking items in low-light areas. Because the device is lightweight and portable, it can easily be brought along whenever extra lighting might be needed. This adaptability adds to its usefulness and makes it feel like a practical tool rather than a specialized gadget meant for only one purpose. Ultimately, HandiBeam represents a smart and modern approach to solving a very common problem: the need for reliable lighting while keeping both hands available for work. Its comfortable design, practical functionality, and consistent illumination make it a helpful companion for many different tasks. By simplifying the way people handle lighting, HandiBeam allows users to focus more on what they are doing and less on managing their tools. This combination of simplicity, efficiency, and versatility is what makes the product stand out as a positive and useful addition to everyday work and hobbies.